everybody, welcome back to our channel. And if you're new to our channel, we are the Adventures of a Family Compound. Dublin, come here. And there's our puppy, he's crazy. And today, we're gonna be taking photos with him. And we're gonna be taking photos of getting a big giant truck out that doesn't work, so it's gonna be hard. So I'm gonna be videoing that.
And also, we're gonna go up and have some rules about this, some safety rules.
Yeah.
You ready? So here's Mommy.
Hi. Welcome to our shop out back of our house where we keep all Poppy's toys, the equipment and everything.
Gator,
Here's the gator.
tractor, and Poppy's gonna tell you maybe 2 or 3 rules, because there's a way that we do this and it's safe.
That's right. So one of the things I wanted to point out was we always start off with safety. Safety has priority over everything, whether you're operating the gator, the tractor, the big tractor, whatever it may be. You have to walk around the machine and make sure it's completely clear, even before you start. And then you point out to everyone that, okay, I'm getting ready to start and move the machine. So that's what we do.
Yep.
And there's a lot to consider. We have, like I say, the gator, the tractor with the loader and the forklift attachment, and then the big tractor, the big one that we have a forklift in the shop.
Good.
So you may not see it because of the lighting.
There.
And then we have the dump truck, which we're getting ready to pull out right now
This is the dump
for a
truck
photo shoot.
right here.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna pull it out. I'm gonna go give the camera to Tegan because I'm gonna drive it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive it.
Yeah. Okay. Who's driving what?
I'm driving and Tegan's gonna video.
Oh, okay.
She's gonna sit in the gator and video.
Okay, that's fine.
Take me here. All right. No, you have to sit in the gator with it. Pick him up and sit him in the gator. Come on, because this process, we don't want it to take too long. Hey, Jabber Jujush. Oh, why does he have plastic in his mouth again? Good boy. Come on, follow me, Tay. Okay.
His clothes are nasty.
Actually, I'm gonna, you're gonna video me pulling it out. I'm driving it. Poppy! Poppy. Poppy, is it okay if Tegan sits here with the gator while we pull it out?
Of course.
Okay, sit.
Mom, Dublin's poles.
It's okay.
He's cold, you say?
They're
No.
so dirty.
The Dublin's poles are.
I'll go. All right, don't pick them up and I'll get wipes in a minute. Let's pull this truck out.
Yeah.
Let him explore.
Here, T,
before you
just-
hold him.
Take the camera and watch us pull the truck out, okay?
Okay.
And make sure you get good filming and it's not wobbly. Thanks. You're welcome.
Okay, I'm going to start up. You want to get closer, D, or?
You can zoom in with it too.
So that's the tractor that our Poppy's driving. You can't see it because of the gator, but you'll see it when he comes in here. Good. So then, we have the big tractor. Okay, so now it's stopped. There's,
Hook up the chain.
and he's gonna hook up the chain, which goes there, right in the front. He's chewing the boots. So,
You guys ready?
the chain, he put on the chain. And now he's gonna take them out. Sorry. And then Tori and Mommy are going to be steering it. They're gonna steer the car that is coming out right now. And this is the photo shoot. Tori's steering. And then she turns it. And then we'll come here so you guys can see it here. But there it is right now. And Poppy's pulling it out. Bobby, what do you see? You see tractors? And then there they are. So now,
We're stuck.
and they're stuck. Oof. Hi, Debbie. Dublin's eating my shoes. So, they're fixing it. Here, Debbie, come on.
Tegan, don't walk him through that mud.
Okay. My mom said to not walk Dublin through the mud. So that's why I have the leash like that. Dublin, no. Do I have to put the leash on him more? So right now, they did it.
Good job, Dublin.
Okay, so
I'll go get.
now we're gonna. Oh, sorry. We did it. We backed it out. Very
I'm
cool.
gonna go get something for his balls. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below.
Turn on those post notification bells and see you next video.
Bye.